We've totally rebuilt Bramework from the ground up, and today I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. Now, we've been working very hard to make Bramework the ultimate content creation platform for your business. Our goal here at Bramework is to help you get more traffic, get more leads, sell more products, and make more money from your online business and from your websites. As you can see, if you're a current Bramework user, the dashboard has totally changed. This is the old dashboard here, and this is the new dashboard that's going to be released soon. As you can see, everything has totally changed. We've added something that's been asked a lot by our users, which is dark mode by default. You can go from dark mode to light mode. And you can see from the dashboard all the need to know information now. And I'm going to go ahead and show you one of our most used feature, which is our keyword research tool. So as you can see now, the keyword research page is still easy to use and simple. But now you see that we have a keyword research tab and our save keywords tab. I'll click and add the keyword that I want to search, which is AI automation business, and I'll click on search. The keyword research page is more intuitive with more information on it. As you can see here, this keyword search is rising, keyword ideas, top questions, top ranking posts, all the things that you used to from Bramework that makes it easy to understand what content you should write about. And here I can save this keyword and it will show up on my keywords list. You can see all these keywords that I've already searched and saved, and I can start writing right from here by clicking on that keyword. So stay tuned as I'll be releasing another sneak peek video where I'll be going over other features that we updated and how we've integrated all our features to work seamlessly into a simple and easy to use workflow.